Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CK Tech India. Today we will learn about how to solve the problem of tweepy in Jupyter Notepad. So let's get start. First of all, we will run the commands Jupyter Notepad. There is a processing to open the command. This command is open in my default browser, Chrome browser. Here we will click on Python 3 and I am writing import tweepy here and run. Here is a error shows module not found error, no module named tweepy, means here is a not install the module tweepy. So we will solve this problem. So we can click on the anaconda prompt and write here pip install tweepy, and installing process will be started within few seconds. So here we need to install by Python m install upgrade pip. So we need to upgrade the pip. So we are writing here Python m pip install upgrade pip and then click. You can see installing collected package pip, found existing installation pip 10.0.1, uninstalling pip 10.0.1 and successfully uninstall pip 10.0.0.1, successfully installed pip 20.1. Okay, and we can install pip install tweepy. Okay, means required already satisfied. Okay, and then we can click here, means now tweepy module is installed successfully and you can run tweepy. You can see here this is successfully installed. Okay, if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can write the comment box. Okay, thank you so much.